Hello, and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to change your name on Facebook. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of updating your name on the platform. So, let's get started. Open your preferred browser and log into your Facebook account using your current credentials. You can do this by opening your Facebook app or going to the Facebook website. Next, locate your profile at the top right corner of your homepage. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, find the Settings option. Click on it to open the Facebook settings page. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Select Account Center. A new list of options will appear on your screen. Click Profiles, then select the profile you want to change. You'll now be directed to a section where you can edit your name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Click on Name. A window will pop up asking you to enter your new name. Remember, there are some guidelines you need to follow when changing your name on Facebook. It should represent your real name, be listed as you would find it on official identification documents, and cannot include any symbols or special characters. Once you've entered your new name, double-check for any typos or errors. Facebook allows you to include additional surnames or nicknames if you wish. You can only change your name again after 60 days, so it's important to make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. After you've made the necessary changes, you can click on the Review Changes button to proceed. Facebook will then display a preview of how your name will appear. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. If you're satisfied with the preview, click on Done to officially update your name on Facebook. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once your name change is successfully submitted, Facebook will update your name across the platform. It may take a few moments for the changes to take effect, so don't worry if you don't see the updated name immediately. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.